is an element that we call the clock. It starts with a sandwich. Now, instead of sandwich, I will step and I will show off my knowledge of geometry in the tangent. Let's see, if this foot makes a circle, my left foot steps in the tangent of that circumference.
And as the follower, my weight is primarily on my right leg. My left leg is still in touch with the floor. I'm not lifting it off of the floor. I still need to create a little bit of tension against the leader's foot. But I don't make it difficult when I feel the sweep.
So, the sweep is how we call this. This way to use a sweep is called the clock, because we make the follower rotate clockwise direction, and you can repeat it: tangent, sweep into the clock, tangent, sweep into the clock. I will do it one more time so you can see that in the end you completed closing with a sandwich. Forward 8, close, and then we can continue. One more time, let's see, starting from the opposite point of view. We start with the sandwich. Besides, say I did the sandwich, then I change my mind to the clock. So, infinite ways to combine it. And the clock allows you to change the direction too. If you realize when you are going to exit the sandwich that you are going in the direction you don't have a space, you can use the clock to change the direction. Okay? Let's try.